Urgent, immediate broadcast requested child abduction emergency. California Emergency Management Agency, Eureka, California. Relayed by National Weather Service, Eureka, CA. 1:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Friday, August 12, 2011. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency, Eureka, California. This is an Amber Alert message from the California Highway Patrol. A child abduction occurred on August 7 at 9 a.m. in Sacramento, California. The child's name is Madeline Layla Salmon Faye, a 2-year-old Egyptian female. The suspect is possibly driving a 1998 dark green Toyota 4Runner, California license plate number 3 XRN 111. To report possible sightings, call 911.